I have used TikTok this last year to make, well, multiple six figures as a Canadian grandma, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it for you as well. Hey, my name is Wendy. I'm a grandma from Ontario, Canada, and in this video I'm going to break down how I use TikTok. I don't have the Creator Fund. I don't have TikTok Shop. We don't have that stuff up here in Canada, but you can use TikTok to make money. Let me share with you how it's done. I was looking for a way to make money online. I saw a lot of people doing it, and as a 55-year-old person at the time, 56 now, but as a 55-year-old, I thought, okay, if these young ones can figure out TikTok, like I had no desire to be dancing on a platform or things like that, but I wanted to leverage different social media platforms because they're free and figure out how to use them to make money. Right away, I started with a program. I'm into learning things. I don't want to spend all my time searching. I was working full time. I didn't have a lot of time or energy to be trying to figure everything out on my own. If you want to do that, that's fine. I'm sure you can find a lot of YouTube videos. I wanted to have my results faster and eliminate the large learning curve or all that research just to come up empty. So as a Canadian, we need to have a product or program or something we need to be able to promote on different platforms. Now, I took this e-learning program. I wanted to learn all about digital marketing and how the different social media channels work, the different algorithms, how to use ChatGPT, you name it. I wanted to learn how to use YouTube, and I started on YouTube, and I didn't do things the right way on my own, but once I figured out how to do it properly, now I'm actually monetized on this channel as well. So I've now not only created income from TikTok, but now I'm monetized on YouTube. And I'll get into that on a different video, sharing my monetization story on YouTube, what I did wrong and what I suggest you don't do, but how you can do it properly. But in this video, we're talking about TikTok. So I learned a lot about TikTok. I learned what to do, how to show up, how to get your message correct, and how to share videos that bring you in views and followers, but also help people to take action to get more information about what you're offering. If you want to check out the course that I took, because it's radically taught me everything I know. It's how I now have 13 different income streams, made well over 600,000. I just have not totaled my numbers yet. I just know it's way over that. Just put yes, I do below. I'll happily share with you that program so you can look at it as well. So as a Canadian, you have to have some kind of product, service, or program in order to promote. You don't actually make money from TikTok. You make money by using the TikTok platform. And if you use it correctly, you can then grow your income from the sales of your product, program, or service. If you don't have one of those to start, I used the e-learning program that I took to learn this, and I'll share more about that in a little bit. What I learned from TikTok is you don't need to be dancing, you don't need to be doing all these things, but you can have creativity on the platform, which is great. So I have fun. If you want to check out my TikTok channel, this is what it looks like. Now I have to warn you, TikTok is very, I don't know, they seem to be the highest platform that I've seen with a lot of troll and scammer accounts, because my account has literally been duplicated by these trolls. My videos, even though you put in your settings that they cannot copy your videos, they do. So they obviously have some kind of technology that I don't know about, but they copy them all the time. And they create all these fake accounts. I did a video on it right here on my channel, so I encourage you to watch that if you're going to my TikTok channel. You know, people think they're talking to me and they try to scam people out of money, and sadly it has happened. Regardless of all the effort that I do to keep people informed, it does happen. Every single day, this is what's happening to me. I'm on there blocking a lot of men who want to just tell me how pretty I am, want to tell me how they just like, it's just ridiculous. When you're on these social media channels, you do have to be leery or beware and do your due diligence, because there's a lot of awesome things that happen on this channel, but this tends to be, I think, TikTok, one of the highest channels that they need to really hone in on how to get this stopped, because there's far too much of it. They're like weeds that pop up on my channel, and it's absolutely ridiculous. But having said that, this having TikTok and getting your message out on a free platform does grow your income as a Canadian, and it is free to use. You just need to learn how to use it properly. It is one of the best platforms for being creative, having fun. I found it helped get me growth a lot faster than Instagram or Facebook in, comparison. The thing with any social media channel is they all have their own algorithms. So you need to be able to, on TikTok, train your algorithm so that your videos get shown in front of the people that are interested in what it is you are promoting. If you want to learn more about that, I do have a complete TikTok course that's absolutely for free. Put TikTok in the comments. I'm going to just link that to you so you can watch, because I take you through how to set up your bio in TikTok, how to set up your profile, how to train your algorithm so that it is in front of the right people. There is strategy to that. And I take you step by step through how to create a video and how to even hit record, how to add different transitions and features all the way to the end with your video and your call to action. I walk you step by step through that. So put TikTok below and I'll happily link you to that free course that I did. Have a business and you want to try to grow it on TikTok, I recommend watching my complete training there, because it's going to help you a lot. That's exactly the steps I took to make multiple six figures this past year on TikTok. Like probably over 500,000 this past year from TikTok alone. So it's very powerful if you can do it properly. Another thing with TikTok is you don't have the same options for automated replies, so you manually have to reply to people. So there is a little bit more time consuming with that. So you got to take the good with the bad, but you do need to have something to promote. So if you don't have something to promote, what I started with was taking a e-learning program, and it had the master resale rights attached to it. So I got certified to be able to resell the program and make 100% profit. So that is what I had to sell. There was actually 4 different programs that I was able to resell and make 100% profit. Isn't that amazing? So you need to start somewhere. You need to have something that you sell with. And I thought, what better way than to actually share the program with other people who want to learn the same skill set as me? Because this program not only taught me TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, like you name it, YouTube. I mean, I don't use all those platforms. You pick and choose what you like. But the fact that it taught me and is still teaching me to this day how to grow income online, all the different ways. How to have an automated sales system, how to have the email marketing, why those are even important, how to use keywords, search engine optimization. These things sounded like, what the heck is that? And that's what I learned from taking a course. And that's what's so valuable. And this course is not only a course, it's a live interactive program. So it's still like there's people there to help me, give me tech support, all the things that this grandma needed, right? Like it was there for me. Like that's why now I have 13 different income streams. 4 of them are the program. The rest are all different things. Like I'm going to share with you my YouTube journey. That's one income stream. I have affiliate marketing. I have programs that monthly reoccurring income that way. I mean, we have monthly bills. Why not have monthly reoccurring income to pay for those bills? So this is what learning this skill set online can give you. Now, TikTok is a fun platform. It's a gift to be able to have these free channels to use, but you just need to learn how to use it the proper way. But if you're wanting to promote your business, your product, TikTok is a great platform. And yes, you can absolutely monetize yourself as a Canadian. You cannot leverage those other funds, but I have grown multiple 6 figures by using TikTok. So I love the platform. I just wish they would get a little better at controlling these scammer accounts, but that's kind of the age we live in right now, sadly. But if you want to use TikTok, I highly recommend following my outline of my free course that I put and watch that, because that's the best way to set up your account. If you already have an account and you've already been training the algorithm to go watch funny cat videos or things like that, you probably want to start a completely new account. And that's so easy to do because you want to train your algorithm properly. I have honestly promoted multiple things on TikTok. It promoted affiliate products. I've promoted digital products, and it's been amazing. If you want to learn from the exact program that I followed, because literally that program taught me everything, put yes I do, and I'll happily share with you that program, because that's what gave me all this knowledge and skill set to be able to open up 13 different income streams, and how I retired at 55 years of age, because learning how to earn online blew my mind, and I wanted somebody to show me the actual way that works. So put yes I do below. I'll happily share with you that program too. Just check for yourself. Right now I'm working on another income stream, and that's the beauty of this program, right? You just start here and you work your way through learning and adding the different income streams that you want. I'm now retired, so I have a little bit more time. I never thought I'd be retired at 56. I honestly thought I'd be working well past 65 because we were short for retirement. But being able to earn online has opened up so many more opportunities for me, and I love sharing it with others, because I just had my very first customer a number of months ago. She hit 6 figures by learning the skill set in the online space too. So it's happening every single day. I see it. People that I've coached and helping them to get traction online and just start seeing success. It just makes this grandma's heart so happy. So if you want to learn, we have a live webinar coming up. I'm happily, learn about it. Put webinar, or you're going to find it in the description below, but just get the information that you need so you can make a decision to see if learning online is for you, if you want to earn online, or what type of platform would work for you. Maybe it's TikTok if you're Canadian, but you can do this regardless of where you are in the world, because it is a global business. So learn how to make money online by leveraging TikTok. As a Canadian, you can totally do it. There's just strategy behind it, and I've cracked the code. Honestly, I've totally cracked the code. So I'd happily see you at the webinar. Look forward to that. If you have any questions, pop them in the comments and I will reply. Hey, thanks for watching. Do me a solid, give me a little like and save in this video, and follow my channel if you want more tips and strategies on how you as a midlifer can start earning online so you can transform the way you make money in your retirement. See you later.